Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends on your location. This video is specially, I call it requested for, okay? Requested for by someone who is looking forward to make Poff Poff. This is Nigerian Poff Poff, and then she don't know how to make Nigerian Poff Poff. Maybe because she's not a Nigerian, so this video is a tutorial on how to make Poff Poff. Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. That depends on your location at the moment. My name is Totally Paste One on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So my lady, if you're watching this video, this is flour, right? Mixed already. Okay, so this is the flour I like to use when I'm making my Poff Poff, Nigeria Poff Poff. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you now. It is not expensive flour. You can buy any flour of your choice, but this is the one I'm using now to make Poff Poff. Okay, I'm not paid to advertise this flour. Okay, this is just me doing a tutorial for someone who don't know how to make Nigerian Poff Poff. So I like to buy British flour. Oh shit, that's super. You see, so self-raising flour. Okay, this is from Britain. You can get this one in Aldi, very cheap to afford, very affordable. So this is the color, this is how it is. You can take a screenshot in case if you want to buy. I buy it from Aldi, right? So that's the flour, and this flour pour in the bowl, right? As you can see, add a little baking powder. This is the baking powder I use. You can also get it in Aldi or Lidl, very affordable. If you want, you can choose any baking powder of your choice. This one is very cheap, very affordable. You can buy this, or alternatively you can buy anyone that you prefer. It's a choice thing. Okay, that's that. Add a little bit to it. Okay, now this is sugar. I also buy it in Aldi, very cheap, affordable, right? It doesn't mean if it's cheapy it will not give you that texture, that taste of Poff Poff that you want. Okay, so this is sugar. Add a little bit quantity, any amount of sugar that you want. Choice matters. Okay, so if you want it to be very tasty, very sugary, you can add. Okay, and then I have milk here. I just bought milk right now just for the purpose of the tutorial. I got this milk. Yes, as well, you can buy this one, or you can use any one of your choice. This one I bought it in farm food. Okay, I'm a great fan of farm food. Okay, I'm a great fan of Philly as well, and Aldi. So get any milk of your choice, fresh milk like this. Okay, and then you add to it. In this video I did not add water, everything is just milk, and then add to it. Okay, and then begin to stir. See the way it is now, not too watery like this running, it is okay, and not too strong. Carefully scrape the bowl out for the edges to join. Okay, my lady, like that. And then at this stage it is carefully mixed, just like the way I want it, a bit runny like that. Don't worry, because you can see maybe like this now is runny and you think it's going to be very watery. No, leave it like that because it's going to be soft. That's the kind of Poff Poff that you fry. Press it together, it bounces back. So if your Poff Poff is too hard, when you mix it, when you press it, it's like a stone, you know, that stone bread. So that's the way it's going to come up. If you like it that way, fine, it's a thing of a choice. Okay, for me, this is the way I like my Poff Poff. So it's already mixed now. You're going to leave it for about an hour or half an hour for me, because I'm going to get busy upstairs. So all you need to do now is cover it. Okay, I'm going to use this. You can cover it with a foil paper. You can cover it with a cling paper, the transparent one. Any cling paper of your choice. You can choose to cover it with this one. Okay, and then you can choose to cover it with this one, the oven paper. Okay, And as well, you can choose to cover it with your this one. Okay, and again, I have this. Choose cover any one of your choice, depends on the one you have at home. Or alternatively, you can cover it with your this towel like this. It is well covered. Okay, so choice matters. So I'm going to leave it like this now. Okay, and then I'm going to do other things and I'll come back to it. Before I'm going to have a shower. Before I come back, it's going to be ready because it's going to rise higher we go. So I'll be right back. Stay tuned and then don't go away.